Good morning, it's Ian Wade from WBS Copiers and Printers. Today I'm with Lucy and Cliff. Pete's swanning away somewhere, probably playing golf. So we was asked to help the guys out with a printer. So what they need to do is to print off pictures for when guys are going. So yeah, Cliff, how's it all going for you?
Yes, it's going all right actually. Ian, it's really good. We've got a lot of bookings, we've had a lot of good times, and we've got our first children's party today.
Excellent. How many are you expecting in of the kiddies?
Eight. It's a party of 8, and it's
Nice.
They're going down the rabbit hole. So
Down the rabbit hole. What sort of ages are those then, Cliff?
I think they're about 10, 12. I think they're about that age. Yeah, that's a good age to go down there.
So lots of chicken nuggets and chips for lunch then?
Yeah, I think they're on burgers today. Burgers and chicken burgers and
fantastic.
good pies.
Well, guys, if you want to come and try and beat the record, I think we're on 27 minutes at the moment, Keith.
Yeah, 27 minutes for the graveyard, but 33.4 for the rabbit hole.
Fantastic.
So,
well, I wish you guys...
really good times, but they can be beaten.
Yeah. Wish you guys all the luck for the future, and yeah, great stuff.
Thank you very much.